Hey guys, welcome back to Live Well with Dr. Mel. I'm Dr. Mel, licensed physical therapist and holistic health coach. And today you get a treat. We're shooting this video in my backyard in Connecticut where all the beautiful leaves are changing color. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You'll get access to all my free health and wellness videos. In this video, we're going to do a strengthening exercise routine for your lower extremities. It will also challenge your balance. So go ahead and grab a chair just to steady yourself if some of the poses are causing some difficulty. And I would grab a water bottle too. If you're ready, let's get started. This routine is so simple to do every morning. It takes less than 10 minutes. The first exercise, keeping your feet shoulder width distance, keeping your feet pointed straight. Don't let yourself toe out or toe in too much. And we're gonna do some calf raises. Have the chair to steady yourself just in case. At the top, you're gonna hold for 3 seconds and lower down slowly. Raise up, hold for 1, 2, 3, and then lower down slowly. Be mindful of your weight. Are you leaning on one foot a little bit more than the other? Make sure your weight is even through both legs. You may not even realize, but your dominant leg or your stronger leg may be doing most of the work. So make sure you're pushing evenly through both sides. Halfway there. We'll do 4 more here. You're doing great. Make sure you're holding at that top. Lower down slowly. 3 more. Last 2. And last one. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Shake it off. You feel that burn in the back of the calves. Woo! All right, the next one. Just in the opposite direction. So you're going to raise your toes up. Hold for 1, 2, 3, and lower down slowly. Same thing, you always want to pause on the top. That pause is so important because it makes sure the muscles are engaged. We're working your anterior tibialis here, the muscle in the front of your shin bone. Good, that's 4. 1, 2, 3, and back down. That's 5. You're halfway there. Don't stick your butt out. I see a lot of people make that mistake. Make sure you're standing nice and tall and all the motion's coming from the ankle. Good job. Keep a nice, good posture. Standing up nice and tall. You got 2 more here. You're doing great. And last one, hold it. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work. That really strengthens the front of your shins, helps avoid shin splints, makes that anterior tibialis nice and strong. The next exercise here is hip flexion. So we're working our quad and hip flexor muscle here. It also will challenge your standing balance on the opposite leg. So go ahead and raise your knee up, hold for 1, 2, 3, and lower down slowly. See if you can do it without holding on. Challenge your balance here. Great job. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. You're doing wonderfully. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. 1, 2, 3. That's 5. Halfway there. 1, 2, 3. That's 6. 1, 2, 3. That's 7. Only 3 more now. 1, 2, 3. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, that's 9. And you know what's coming. Last one we're gonna hold for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I really felt that hip flexor at the end there. Also works your standing leg just as much. I feel the burn on the right leg as well. All right, we're gonna do the same thing on the right. Hold for 1, 2, 3, and back down. Be mindful of your posture here. Make sure you're standing nice and tall. Squeeze those shoulder blades back. Keep that chest lifted. You're halfway there. Hold for 1, 2, 3, that's 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, that's 6. 1, 2, 3, that's 7. 1, 2, 3, that's 8. 1, 2, 3, that's 9. Great standing balance. Last one, hold it out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work. The next exercise, we're gonna hit that outer butt cheek. I know a lot of you women want to work that area. It also strengthens your external rotators. So same thing, when you get to your end range, you hold for 1, 2, 3, and then lower in slowly. Let's repeat. Good. That's 3. Make sure the leg is coming slightly backward. You'll feel it a little bit more in that piriformis muscle. Help strengthen that muscle. Good job. Nice contraction there. Also your glute medius. All your external rotators of the outer hip. Beautiful. And remember, you're working those same muscles on the standing leg too. Can you try to balance here? A little bit more difficult to balance here than when doing the hip flexor exercise. A little bit more challenging here. You gotta really focus. Pick a spot on the wall, and that will help steady yourself. You got this. Let's do 2 more. This last one, we're gonna hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simple exercises, but so effective. I really felt that one. Make sure, let's do the other side. I'll put the chair on the other side so you guys can see me. Alrighty. Hold for 1, 2, 3, and back in. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, that's 2. 1, 2, 3, that's 3. 1, 2, 3, that's 4. Make sure your core is engaged also. Protect that low back. That's 5, you're halfway there. That's 6. 1, 2, 3, that's 7. 1, 2, 3, that's 8. 1, 2, 3, that's 9. Last one here, let's hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, shake it out. Woohoo! Outer butt cheeks. You're working them. All right, so now we're gonna do a hamstring curl. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna bend your knee, bringing your heel up towards your butt. Bring it up as high as you can, squeeze the back of your thigh. You're gonna hold it here for 1, 2, 3, and back down. And again, 1, 2, 3, that's 3. You're gonna feel a cramp in the back of the thigh. That's completely normal. It's your hamstring muscle. It's weak on a lot of us. It's common that we work the front of our bodies, but a lot of times we leave out the back. And that's why this is difficult for a lot of people. But the more you do it, eventually that cramp will go away. It won't be so intense. Just keep working at it. Also, a common mistake I see here people bring the knee forward when they're doing this. Try to keep your knees in alignment. They should both be in the same plane. I think we have 2 more here. 1, 2, 3. And last one, you know it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Bringing your heel up towards your butt. Hold for 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. And let's do the other leg. Bending the knee, bringing the heel up towards our butt, and lower back down. Standing nice and tall. Hold for 1, 2, 3, and lower down slowly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and back down. Making sure your knees are in the same alignment. Making sure you're standing nice and tall, shoulder blades back, chest lifted. Let's try to balance here. You can hover your hands. If you lose your balance, the chair is there. We got 2 more here. You're doing great. Last one, we're gonna hold it out for 10, 9, 8, keep squeezing, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Little Charlie horse there. Okay, now we're gonna finish with a squat. So if it's difficult for you to squat, you can put a chair behind you, that's fine. So here we go. We got a chair in case we need it. We got another chair to hold on to steady yourselves. And you're just gonna tap your butt to the chair. Don't sit on it, just tap on it. Hold for 1, 2, 3, and raise back up. Make sure your feet are shoulder width distance. Good job. Knees glide right over the toes. Good. Make sure your knees aren't coming out or in. They're nice and straight, right over your feet. Tap your butt and hold. 1, 2, 3, and raise back up. You're doing wonderfully. If you need to use a sink or a chair to pull from, that's fine. I'd rather you use the sink though. It's more sturdy if you have to pull. Only use the chair to steady because this will fall on you. Good. I think we have 3 more here. Hold, 1, 2, 3, and back up. Hold for 1, 2, 3, and back up. And on that last one, we're gonna try to hover for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and push back up. Great job. I hope you enjoyed this standing exercise routine. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a like on the video. Also share it with any family or friends you think who would benefit from it. Also leave me a comment. I love reading your comments. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I love when my viewers subscribe. Stay healthy, be well, and take care.